Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your region in Steam. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Steam application on your PC. Then, to change your region, you'll need to utilize a VPN. There are several free VPN services available, enabling you to alter your online location to any destination worldwide. Next, connect your VPN to the region you want your Steam account to be in. Once connected, click on your profile name in the top right corner. Then, from the options available, click on Account Details. On the next page, under the Store and Purchase History section, you'll find an option labeled Update Store Country. Simply click on it. Once done, Steam implying that you have to make a purchase in the currency he would want to change to this. Why I said to use VPN to see other region content that you wouldn't see otherwise without a VPN. Once it's done, the region for your Steam account will be changed to match the region where your VPN is connected. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching.